Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and I hope you people are following many of the instruction which I have already given in the especially the videos which we have already made in the recent past. Friends, many of you are asking कि बहुत जन आपण मानक मध्यरु कहउचंती सर बहीटा तो किनि देलु. Actually our book has got published. आम बही पब्लिश हो सारी for OS prelim examination, but it is very much helpful for your ASO general awareness paper. ASO रो जो general awareness paper अछि ता पई बहुत helpful हबो. बहुत जन ASO पई already किनि सारचंती and they are giving good review. Especially जो ancient और medieval portion अच्छी ताकू छाड़िकी totally the content is applicable for the general studies general awareness paper for ASO examination. And if you are preparing for upcoming ASO examination, do not miss our book. बही मिस करंतुनी. The valuable only 349 पेज अच्छी, only 349 pages are there. 349 pages are there. And you can do it. जदि 15 दिन की 16 दिन टारगेट करो ये 15-16 दिन रे 349 पेज फिनिश करियार अछि. जो माने भी ऑलरेडी परचेस करि सालेनी, माय सजेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि टारगेट करो कि 15 रु 16 दिन रे टोटली फिनिश करी एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 टाइम रिवीजन. जेति की कंटेंट दिया हेछि करंट अफेयर रो भी जेति की दिया हेछि सेटा टोटली रिवाइज करिया को चेष्टा करो. So very important. And if you have not purchased the book till now, you can directly purchase it from the link given below for Amazon and Flipkart, or you can directly place the order with me. जो मानकर directly purchase करिवार अछि they can directly contact me on 9937626493. एरे आपण contact करी आपण बही नै परिबे. Not only that, in Cuttack it is available in Manas Bhai bookstore and the Vijay book depot in front of the gate of Ravenshaw College, and in Bhubaneswar it is available in Padmalaya Master Canteen, and Bani Vihar it is available in Malaya bookstore, and in CRP it is available in Swagat bookstore. So it is all about the book. Specially आपण मानक मध्यरु बहुत जन जो माने कहउचंदी कि सर बहीटा तो नै गलु किंतु किछि क्वेश्चन अपन डिस्कस करले हमर मन रहिबो स्पेशली. So in this particular series we will be discussing important current affair of our test series book. हमर टेस्ट सीरीज बुक रो important current affair किछि हमें डिस्कस करिबा जोडा कि आपण माननकु ASO आउ OS पय हेल्पफुल हबो. So this is very important. Do like the video. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel especially. So in today's video we will be discussing test number 1. our full length test number 1 रो current affair discuss करिबा from 78 to 90 sorry 78 to 90 पर्यंत क्वेश्चन हमें डिस्कस करिबा स्पेशली. सो द फर्स्ट मोर राइट साइड रे आपण देखि पारथिबे स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. स्पेशली which country has decided to legalize same sex marriage on September 26, 2021. को कंट्री एबे रिसेंटली सेम सेक्स मैरिज को लीगलाइज करछि मींस लास्ट सेप्टेम्बर 26, 2021 रे. इज इट ए फ्रांस, इज इट बी पोलैंड, इज इट सी स्विट्जरलैंड, इज इट डी नॉर्वे? The answer in this particular question is C, that is Switzerland. Switzerland कौन करिछि description जोड़ा अछि सेटा निजे पढो. Specially the Switzerland voters of Switzerland decided to legalize the same sex marriage. जति कि सब same sex marriage अछि सेटा को legalize करिसंती Switzerland government. Very important. Switzerland एबे recent past रे same sex marriage को legalize करिछि. Then who has the first F1 Russian Grand Prix 2021 and claimed the 100th Grand Prix win? Very important question. Is it A, D Juan Manuel Fangio? Is it B Max Verstappen? Is it C Valtteri Bottas? Or is it D Lewis Hamilton? The answer here is 79, it is D. Lewis Hamilton. Remember, Lewis Hamilton has won the F1 Grand Prix, Russian Grand Prix 2021, and this claimed the 100 Grand Prix. Very, very important. 100 Grand Prix of Lewis Hamilton. Then Indian Army will organize Vijaya Sanskritik Mahotsav. Indian Army will organize Vijaya Sanskritik Mahotsav on which date? Is it A. October 21 to 24? Is it B. September 22 to 25? Is it C. September 21 to 24? Is it D. September 26 to 29? The answer in this particular question is D. That is September 26 to 29. You remember the Vijaya Sanskritik Mahotsav. This particular thing is celebrated on the victory by India on Pakistan सहित जो आमर वार होता 71 रो victory पाई this Vijaya Sanskritik Mahotsav is celebration करा होची specially September 26 to 29. Remember. Then Indian Prime Minister 81. Which country declared the transaction involving cryptocurrencies illegal? Which country declared all transactions including cryptocurrencies illegal? Is it A. India? Is it B. China? Is it C. Netherlands? Or is it D. Japan? China has declared. Remember, China has declared. The answer is B. China has declared all transactions including cryptocurrency on 27 September 2021. China कौन करेची recently declare करेची including this cryptocurrency the illegal. It is illegal. Then coming to the next question, Indian Prime Minister is to address the session of United Nations General Assembly 25th September 2021. 25th September 2021 रे इंडिया रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को नंबर सेशन को एड्रेस करले यूनाइटेड नेशन रो को नंबर सेशन. रिमेंबर, इज इट ए 34th, इज इट बी 76, इज इट सी 90th, or is it D 82nd? The answer here is 76th. You remember the 76th General Assembly of United Nations. United Nations रो 76th Assembly को Indian Prime Minister address करले. Then coming to the next question, who is the author of the novel 400 Days? Is it A. Jinath? Is it B. Chetan Bhagat? Is it C. Ram Singh? Is it D. Vicky Deswal? The answer here is Chetan Bhagat. Answer here is Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat is the person who has wrote this 400 Days. Then coming to the next one, who among the following has recently resigned as the interlocutor of Naga Peace Talk? Naga Peace Talk कौन? इंडिया रो नागा सॉल्यूशन करबा पई इंडिया रो गोटे इंटरलोक्यूटर हेतिले अपॉइंट. इज इट ए आर एन रवि? इज इट बी पी धोबल? इज इट सी पी सुरेश? और इज इट डी अवनी अवस्थी? द आंसर हियर इज आर एन रवि. Answer in this particular question is R N Ravi. R N Ravi is the person who got appointed and he got resigned recently, and the government has accepted the resignation of R N Ravi. Then the first edition of Himalayan Film Festival, which started at which city? First you can say the Himalayan Film Festival. Himalayan Film Festival, is it A. Leh? Is it B. Dehradun? Is it C. Simla? Or is it D. Latumkhara? The answer here is A. Leh. The government, especially the Anurag Thakur inaugurated this particular festival, the first Himalayan Film Festival. Remember, the first Himalayan Film Festival inaugurated in Leh by Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur. Then who has been appointed as the subsequent Chief of Air Staff? Chief of Air Staff किए अपॉइंट हेले रिसेंटली किए चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ अपॉइंट हेले इज इट ए डी सुहाग, इज इट बी वी आर चौधरी, इज इट सी शिरीष पटेल, और इज इट डी रवि दुबे? The answer in this particular question is B, V.R. Chaudhary. Let me know in the comment section who got appointed as the new Chief of Army Staff. Let me know in the comment section who got appointed as new Chief of Army Staff as well as new Chief of Navy Chief. Who is the Chief of Naval Staff? Let me know in the comment section. Apart from this, which country introduced the new currency with 6 fewer zeros? Is it A, Brazil? Is it B, Mexico? Is it C, Venezuela? Is it D, Colombia? Answer in this question is Venezuela. The answer in this particular question is C. Venezuela has introduced a new currency. Venezuela has introduced a new currency with 6 fewer zeros. Then the central government has extended the armed Forces Special Power Act in 3 districts of which state? The central government कौन करछंती एबे recently extend करिसंती जे 6 मास पई को particular state? Is it A, Goa? Is it B, Sikkim? Is it C, Arunachal Pradesh? Is it D, West Bengal? The answer in this particular question is C, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh रे कौन हला कि 6 मास पई आर्म फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक्ट को बढ़ाई. Let me know in the comment section when was Armed Forces Special Power Act was introduced. Then which one of the following can be used to confirm whether the drinking water contains a gamma emitting isotope or not? Is it A, lead plate? Is it B, microscope? Is it C, scintillation counter? Or is it D, spectrophotometer? The answer in this particular question is C, that is scintillation counter. Scintillation counter is the answer. Then coming to the last question of today's discussion, which one of the following pairs of metal serves as the electrodes in chargeable batteries commonly used in devices such as torch lights? Then इलेक्ट्रिक सेवर और टॉर्च लाइट रे को मेटल जनरली यूज है मेटल. देन इज इट ए आयरन एंड कैडमियम? इज इट बी जिंक एंड कार्बन? इज इट सी लेड पेरोक्साइड एंड लेड? और इज इट डी निकल और कैडमियम? द आंसर हियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज निकल एंड कैडमियम. सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द डिस्कशन ऑफ a few important questions of our book. And if you are willing to purchase the book, do purchase as soon as possible because it is going to be very much helpful for ASO examination and OS examination. जो आम बहिर आमर लिंक अच्छी description रे अच्छी, you can purchase directly from Amazon or Flipkart. Thank you very much. Happy learning.